Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to delete your Telegram account instantly. Now if you want to delete your Telegram account instantly but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now if you want to delete your Telegram account instantly, make sure that you have installed the Telegram app on a device. So if you have not installed it, you may install it from App Store or Play Store on a device. So after that you need to simply open the Telegram app on a device. So this is the homepage of Telegram, where you'll see various options on the bottom taskbar as well as the upper taskbar. Now you will see various options like settings, chat and contacts. So click on the option of settings, which is at the very bottom right of the screen, and here you will see the various settings like my profile, saved messages and all. You need to scroll down until you see the option of privacy and security. So click on it, and under privacy and security you need to scroll down until you find the option which says automatically delete my account. Here you will see the option of automatically delete my account if away for. So click on the option of it, and here you will see various options like 1 month, 3 months, 6 months and all. If you are not using Telegram for 1 month, then your account will be automatically deleted after 1 month. But if you are using it and you don't want to use it from now and you want to delete it now, then click on the option of delete account now, and here are the alternative option which says change phone number, add another account, and also if you want to delete it right now, you may scroll down until you see the option of delete my account. So click on it, and here you will be able to free some cloud storage. So click on the option of continue, which is at the very bottom of the page, and you will be able to delete your Telegram account instantly. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.